Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview Intex 15-foot by 48-inch Prism Frame Pool Set with ladder, cover, and maintenance kit. The Intex Prism Frame Pool Set has everything you need to get the backyard pool parties going this summer. The above-ground pool comes with a cartridge filter pump, a ladder, ground cloth, and a debris cover. This package also includes the Intex Pool Maintenance Kit that helps to keep your pool water looking crystal clear with the cleaning essentials. Product benefits: 110 to 120 V cartridge filter pump with a pump flow rate of 1,000 gallons per hour. Prism frame pools have strong powder-coated steel tubing with a stylish liner. For instructions on the assembly and use of the pool, see the manual. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.